So I'm going to use these templates right here. Click on a template and tap on the customize this template. Okay, so the template has been opened, and here I'm going to add tags into the poster. For example, I'm going to just write this. Okay, put it anywhere you like. Then I'm going to add another tags. Okay, for example, here I'm going to change the phone. Click on the tags again. Sorry. Click on the phone. Then I'm going to change it into this ones right here. Okay, so you can just make some changes based on your need, for example like this. And if you are done with your poster, you can just click on arrow at the top. Then here you can print, or you can download it to save it to your gallery. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.